today I'm going to make peanut butter bread for the very first time. I got this recipe online and I hope that it's going to come out exactly because it's my first time. So what we need is 3 eggs, and we're also going to need what you call this 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, since it is peanut butter bread. And of course we're also going to need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and of course 2 tablespoons of sweeteners. These are tablets, so I'm just gonna put 2 tablets. You know, you don't need a lot of sugar. So as I'm about to get the process done, take this journey with me. Okay, so I've broken the eggs, as you can see. I hope you can see the eggs. I've broken the 3 eggs here, and I'm gonna now add the baking powder and everything else. Sorry guys, I don't have a camera person, so I'm just doing everything by myself. So right, so here it is, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I actually need 3. So it's 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and of course 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and of course 3 eggs. And I'm going to stir this until fine, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, coolios. Alright, so I am done mixing. Here it is. I used a fork to make it fine because I don't have the other thing that they use. I'm not usually much of a cook. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it here inside the microwave, and I'm gonna set this thing to say 3 minutes, because they said 2 to 3 minutes. So it's baking. Okay, so it's done baking, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. Yummy. It looks like this, good people. It looks like this. Quite delicious. Take a small slice first. I'm just gonna take this and put it here. And then take this piece. OMG, you guys! Let me use a spoon to get the rest. I think I need to invest in a proper bowl for this. Oh my gosh. OMGG, you go! And I'm gonna take a bite. No ways. No ways. You guys, no ways. Absolutely delicious. Very minimal calories. I'm loving this. I think I'm gonna bake this every week. Peanut butter bread, okay? No flour, no margarine, nothing. Just, you know, peanut butter, 1 spoon of baking powder, and 3 eggs, and a sweetener. That's it.